Guys, it's Alison here from Mbfx Pro. I wanted to do a quick top-down analysis of Chfjpy. Today is the 9th of March 2020, and if you're following the markets like I do, you know that the markets took an absolute hammering today. Most of the stock indices are all down by several thousand points, and almost double digits in percentage losses. Okay, so it's always good to be a trader. We make money when the markets are going up or down. Today I just want to focus on Chfjpy, and you can probably use the same technique for your analysis. Okay, so Chfjpy, Japanese, the Japanese yen is quite strong at the moment, and I think historically in terms of crisis they've always done really very well. So I think for me I'll be going short on, of course I'll look at my chart all the time, but my bias would be for going short on Japanese pairs. So having said that, I just want to look at the Chfjpy top-down analysis, also using the Mbfx system, which I'm going to lay up on the chart. But starting from the weekly chart, it's always good to get your bias on the weekly chart. Now we can see straight away from the weekly chart that we have this trend line here that has been broken. Recent trend line has been broken. Just zooming in there. So it has already been broken, and the price has closed below this weekly trend line that dates back to August of 2019. Okay, so we know that this price going up now is coming down, and as long as this crisis persists, I suspect that this is going to keep going down. Okay, so we know that price on the other side, and so bias is going to be down. Okay, so we go down to our weekly time frame. We have a bit of indecision here in the market. Zoom out a bit, always zoom out of your chart, so we can see on the weekly time frame, on the daily time frame, what is going on as well. There was a bit of big sell-off this morning, but the market has recovered a bit. So going down to our trading time frame, let me zoom out a bit more. This is where I'm going to add the Mbfx charts. I come here, and like I said, we have this new Mbfx system that gives you alerts as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it for technical analysis to see where we're going to enter this market from. So this market is actually retracing right now, and again, even if you're using the Mbfx system, you want to sell around the zone, in the red zone, you want to buy in the green zone. Okay, so when you have the Mbfx system, you are sure you are trading at the extremes of the market. This will reduce your risk and also increase your profitability. The whole idea is that you take your profit around the middle zone, or you can trail your profits, and you can sell. But this is a 4-hour time frame for that one. So we already know our bias is down, and you can see the whole Mbfx system is actually sloping down as well. Okay, so where are we going to enter this market to continue this journey down? You can see is we're making series of lower lows, lower highs. Let me just mark this off for you to see here. Put a trend line here. Let's see that there. We'll pick that up again. See that there's lower high, lower high. See, so we're in a downtrend at the moment. Okay, and that's a horizontal line. Okay, pick up again. Okay, so no doubt that we're having lower highs. Okay, so I'm sure we'll probably have a divergence here, but this market is started going up again, so it's actually retracing on this big move down. So if I take this off, just to clean up the chart a bit, we already know that trend line has been broken. We can leave it if you want, but I'll just take it off to reduce the confusion on here. Okay, clean up the lines. Okay, so what we are looking for is the next level of structure. So we can see here that this is the support that was broken. Actually, this support was broken as the price was coming down. It's a very established support that was broken. Probably see this on the daily chart as well. Okay, it's a very established, good area of previous resistance, support here, support here, support here, but that was eventually broken. So what happens normally? So the market is going to come back and retest this level. Okay, going to come back and retest it, and then we can continue going down short. Okay, so this pullback, I suspect this pullback is going to go to this zone here. So we've gone from weekly to daily to the 4-hour chart. We've overlaid our Mbfx chart, And then because we're all looking for place to enter the market to go short, because like I said, I favor shorts now on Japanese yen. Okay, so if I put my Fibonacci on here just to see, have an idea, I'm probably looking for around 61.8, between 50 and 61.8 retracement on the 4-hour time frame, which is what we normally tend to see. So put that from one swing high to the other swing low, and then we're going to see that the 61.8, this was arbitrary, that comes here, right, on the 4-hour time frame. And yeah, so I probably if it matches with this support area, don't forget this is a zone, and it also matches with the Mbfx area as well. So I'm probably going to put another one here, and yeah, I'm going to say that if price comes up to this point, there might be some consolidation here. So this will be previous support. Now support now going to become future resistance. Okay, so I'm reckoning that around 111.652 matches quite a lot of, a lot of technical reasons. When I say technical reasons to go short, you can just do that. So hopefully guys, you can do this. If you want the Mbfx system, which is very useful, just to give an idea that you're an extreme of the market, and so I think this makes sense, doesn't it? If price comes up to this red point here, where we have sold several times before, the whole thing is sloping, then there's a good chance we're going to see a big move down, at least to come out and retest these lows. On the daily charts, where we're getting up to, so there's lots of lows you can get up to. This can be retested, no doubt about that. Price will definitely come and retest this ones. There's a low here, there's a low here as well. So there's a lot of potential for the price to go down. Okay, so start listening here with this very quick analysis of GBP, of Chfjpy. Looking for technical reasons to go short. We've seen how I managed to go from the weekly to daily up to the 4-hour time frame. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to smash that like button for me. And if you want the Mbfx system, we are selling this system, and we'll be able to sell it to you. Also looking for, make sure you put a like on this video, and also leave me a comment, and we can arrange for you to get the Mbfx system. I'll put a link to my Telegram channel, one of my Telegram channels, so you can come into the channel and then contact me directly, and then I can tell you how you're going to get this Mbfx system. It also gives alerts, let's see. I think it gives alerts. This one is what I'm working on. So again, I've just drawn support lines. Don't let these lines confuse you. Well, this is called exhaustion on Euro AUD. So this is going to go down. No doubt about that. That is proper exhaustion candle. So it's going to really go down for some time to come. Okay. So I'll probably be looking to go short on this as well. Oscillator is already going down. Okay. So start listening here. Thank you for watching. And like I said, make sure you like this video, leave a comment, and I'll leave a link to my Telegram channel, so you can get in touch. And if you want the Mbfx system, we can help you with that as well. Okay, so take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well if you like content like this, and also hit that notification button so that you will know when I send out videos like this. Okay, so take care, and have yourself a good evening. Bye bye.